Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to improve SEO on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. To optimize your online store for search engines, you can follow a few basic steps. Find keywords that are relevant to your products and your brand. What search terms can customers use to find your store? Add the keywords into your content, including page titles, descriptions, and image alter text. Make sure that your URLs and file name match the content. Add your full domain to Google Search Console so that your online store website can be easily crawled and indexed. Create content that's relevant to your products and encourage other websites to link back to your online store. So these are the way you can improve your Shopify SEO. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.